Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we'll discuss about multi-level and multiple inheritance in Java. In our last class, we clearly discussed about the inheritance concept. Please watch that class and come back here. If you understand the inheritance concept, this class is very simple to understand. So coming to today's class, multi-level inheritance. What's inheritance? Class A. In this class, we are having an instance variable and a method M1. And if you want to use the properties that present in this class, we are extending that class. That is what the concept of inheritance, which we discussed in last class. Class B extends A. Whenever you write this, you are inheriting the properties of A. Means you can use the variables, instance variables, and the methods that present in this class. So class B extends A. Int Q is equal to 20. Here we are having one more instance variable and we are having a method called M2. In this we are having a display statement System.out.println of, and we are using the method that present in class A, M1 method. Now this is one level of inheritance. This is what we call it as superclass, and this is a subclass. If you do another level of inheritance, that is what we call it as a multi-level. You can do it any number of levels. Means let's take class C extends B. So B is extending A and C is extending B. This is what multi-level inheritance. So whenever we are having multi-level inheritance, int k is equal to 40 means one more instance variable and one method is there. M5 is a method. We can use the methods or instance variables that present in any of the above classes. You can use the methods from B, you can use the methods from A. See, here we are calling M1 method. In which class we are having this M1 method? It is in class A. You can use any of the methods or instance variables that present in above classes. This we call it as child class. This is parent class. This is grandparent class. Different naming is given in different textbooks. You can follow any of the naming methodologies. Now this is what multi-level inheritance. And one more point you need to understand. Let's take class test. Public static void main of. In this main statement, we are creating an object for class C. C ob is equal to new C of. System.out.println of ob.p. From this object we are going to use the variables that present in any of the class. P is a variable that present in class A, but we created an object for C. Because C is inheriting B, B is inheriting A, we can use any of the variables and methods. So these are the points you need to understand from multi-level inheritance. Coming to the multiple inheritance concept, Java do not support multiple inheritance using classes. Java is not going to support, but other languages are going to support multiple inheritance. Python supports multiple inheritance, but you need to understand the concept of what multiple inheritance means. So let's understand the concept, but Java is not going to support this multiple inheritance using classes. Class A, in this class we are having instance variables and methods. Class B, we are having instance variables and methods. Suppose we are taking a class C extends A comma B. We are inheriting multiple classes at a time. This is what multiple inheritance means. This is not supported by Java. This is what we call it as multiple inheritance concept. Hope you understand the concepts of multi-level and multiple inheritance. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.